just quick 2 minutes walk. That's so it's second road, and if you continue walk, cross the road and continue walk, I can actually see Pattaya beach straight. That's I think that's so it's 7. You cross the main road, go straight. That's so it's 7, and that's the Grand Villa Hotel, very close to second road. I'm going to review the breakfast. It's it's 10 to 7. Let's see. They do have 2 restaurants. Let's see what kind of food they offer both restaurants. By the way, you can only eat one of them. You cannot try both. You gotta decide which one you have. So only eat one of them. So breakfast start at 6 a.m. in the morning, and so two restaurants for breakfast. One is Indian and one is a Thai food. So I'm going to review. The guy just asked me which one I want. I'm just gonna review the Indian one. Big sitting area. So you got fresh water. I think it's orange juice. I don't know what that juice is. Never heard of it. And you got coffee, hot milk, masala tea, black tea. You got sugar, some cereals. Cereal. Oh, what's this? That looks interesting. I think that's pudding. And cake, plain cake. That looks nice. It's actually 10 to 5 to 10 to 7 a.m. in the morning. And first you have melon, pineapple, but the sign is different. And fruit salad, normal salad, tomato, cucumber, as usual. It's yogurt. Croissant, jam, butter, the bread. What is it? There's a rice. Rice. Because of this section is for Indian, most of the food will be is either non-veg or veg. So the eggs and this chicken. I'm not sure what is it. Oh, that's pasta. Not sure what is it. What is it? Looks chicken. You can have scrambled egg, omelette. They'll make it. This looks like either firni or shamai. Probably Indian. Oh no, rice cake. Yeah, which is we call firni in India, called rice cake. This one is rice noodles. There's no handle, so I can open it. Oh, this is khichdi. Khichdi, yeah, which is rice and lentil mixed together. Yes, moong dal, I think. Yeah, it's a green moong. I think with the skin on. Chole. That is probably chole bhature, and this is fried bread. It's quite nice. pretty much for Indian section. So they got some good selection in here. The chickpea, sorry, sole is the chickpea. So chickpea, fried bread, that looks nice. And I like this cake, plain cake. Sitting area, no one in here. I was expecting a lot more people in here, but no one in here. Let's check the other one, flamingo or something. That's more Thai version of the food. Now it's a flamingo. This is more Thai international customer. So let's check. So they have same egg section where you can request for scrambled fried eggs. So instead of fried over medium well. Kimchi. I love kimchi. Tofu. This section kind of like a Japanese section. And Korean. Kimchi is Korean. The seaweed is Japanese. And miso soup, that's Japanese. But miso soup looks different. I don't know why. Anyway, let's see what they have. Oh, they have cheese in here. Salad similar to Indian section. Fruits is the same. The just name is, I don't get it. This is not dragon fruit, definitely. This is not watermelon. It's just fun. The cake is same. They have the same thing. The drinks portion is same. The coffee, they have nice coffee machine in here. This is really good. And the other section, Indian section, has chai, masala chai. I think Indians loves the chai. Chai means tea. It's pretty milk tea with bit of spices, probably cardamom there. And this is pork section, chicken. Macaron, Dunkin' noodles, boiled egg. There's pork steaks and kidney beans. I thought there was chicken in other areas, so it's actually pork. This creamy vegetable soup. That looks good. This is chicken soup. Stir-fried noodles. That looks nice. This cabbage. Vegetable. This is fried pork with oysters. I'm not going to open it. Oh, that's good. Fried fish with celery. That's nice. I love fish. And as usual, fried rice. And the bread section has white bread. Bread is similar. So both restaurant has some similar. Not actually, most of them are similar, but few are the difference based on the taste category. Because I think there's a few Japanese, Korean also guests also stay at this hotel, and Russian as well. Eat breakfast next to the swimming pool. That's the huge swimming pool. I love this swimming pool. I love this hotel just because of the swimming pool. It's actually really good. It's a deep swimming pool. Usually don't see that deep. It's 1.5 meter. So, and the sliding is very nice. So today I'm going to try the Indian one. Tomorrow I'll try the other one. So I got some rice with lentil, some chickpeas, fried bread, and fried rice and omelette. It's not so busy. It's almost 8 o'clock. No one in here. Just only one person, which is I am.